You think birds only go tweet tweet? Yeah, these ones sound like nightmares. Here's the top 4 terrifying bird sounds. 1. Lyrebird. This bird perfectly copies chainsaws and human screams. That's it, and this is its sound. 2. Common loon. Looks peaceful, sounds like a ghost at night, and this is its sound. Quick break. Like and subscribe for cute animals, or don't, and one of these shows up in your backyard tonight. 3. Cassowary. Basically a living dinosaur. Deep, vibrating growls, and this is its sound. 4. Shoebill bird. Doesn't blink, just stares, then makes machine gun beak noises, and this is its sound. Which one scared you the most? 1, 2, 3, or 4?